Hi guys, welcome back to another quick video. So this is a silver trade that I am in. As you can see, it's a buy trade. I basically took this buy trade last night. This is South African time. So yesterday, 17th of November, around 22 past 10, that's when I took this buy trade. Why did I take the trade? Basically, what I observed was that on the daily, we were retracing back into this zone. And from there I decided there is a chance that we are going to want to retest this middle line here, which we have seen being tested previously here. We've seen it being tested like that, and like that. So there is a chance that we might indeed come around and test this one, but at the moment I'm not liking this week that's just formed. Today is a Friday. I don't know what's going to happen over the weekend and beginning of next week, so I might probably just close out this trade. It's not a big trade though. It's 0.25 and it has got some $300 in it. It's not my usual standard lot size that I would use, again, because I'm just being cautious. It's a Friday. I don't know what's going to happen, and I don't want to hold trades over the weekend if I can help it. There are points where you can actually afford to hold trades over the weekend, but there are points where you just want to close out your trades and you call it a week. And this is what I'm thinking, which is why I entered with a short such a small lot size there. So yeah, this system that you are looking at, you can also download it in the links in the description box below. I've shared this system. The links are in the description box below. I do not sell anything, really. I don't sell anything to anybody. Everything that I give out on this channel and on the blogs, you need to follow the blogs. Everything that I give out there, everything I give it out for free. And basically this is my strategy. It's basically trading zone to zone. Some people call it support and resistance, supply and demand, and stuff like that. Whatever you call it, I'm not about big intelligent technical terms, I'm just a simple guy trying to make a dollar. That's basically it. So that's what's happening on the daily. If we just go to the 4 hourly there, that's why I'm saying I'm not liking what this is doing on my 4 hourly, because this week came and touched an area. This is like a 25% area, for example, between this movement and this movement. If this is 100%, this is about 25, this is 50, this is about 75. So you get the picture. So I'm not liking that it came and touched this 25 zone there, and it bounced back. So which means maybe we might actually now going to see price pushing down this way. It remains to be seen what happens, but in any case, I've protected myself. My stop loss is in there. I'm just thinking probably want to see what's going to happen when this 4 hour candle closes. If it closes around about this area, then indeed there's no need for me to continue hoping that it's going to continue going this way. It might, but the point that I'm trying to make here is it's not always about being correct. It's also about making your money getting out of the market. Yes, it might actually, maybe the moment that I close my trade, it might continue pushing up. Then I'll be, oh, I should have stayed in the trade and stuff like that. It's part of the trade. There are going to be millions and millions of more trading opportunities. But what you need to do is to get out when you feel you should get out. That's the point that I'm trying to make. So yeah, this is the silver trade that I'm in. Most of the time I'm trading now between daily and 4 hourly and the 1 hour. That's what I use for my time frames with this system, because I am hoping to hold trades for a very long time. Most of the time I am hoping that I can hold trades for a very, very long time. It's still good for scalpers as well. If you want to scalp, then you can go in, go out, go in, go out, and stuff like that. I used to do that a lot when I started trading, but nowadays I'm more of a guy who is like, let's hold these trades, because most of the time I also don't have time to be sitting on my charts. I run a web development, graphic design agency as well on the side, and I'm doing trading on the side. I'm also studying. I've got kids and stuff like that, so I no longer have time to be like looking at the charts, looking for scalping trades each and every day. Don't get me wrong. Time and again I'm also tempted to do some quick scalps and stuff. I also do like synthetic indices trading. I also do binary options time to time. So it's mainly for fun and stuff like that. Then on top of that, I still have to make videos for you guys. I still need to come and talk to you guys, which I enjoy doing. So yeah, I just thought, let me just share this trade that I'm in on silver. I know it's an asset that most people don't actually trade that often, or many people stick to gold and the other forex space. Silver, you can make a lot of money trading silver. It's worth it, but it's also dangerous, because silver is a smaller market to gold and the other forex whatever. It's a very small market, so sometimes it's very easy to get caught out on the wrong side of the market. But in pip value terms, it pays a lot. So if you get caught out on the wrong side of the market, then there are chances that you are going to be losing a lot of money if you do that. So just understand that if you also think about trading silver. So yeah, let's see what this trade does. But yeah, if this 4-hourly candle continues acting funny for me, today is Friday. It's a good day to just close trades and call it a week. So yeah, subscribe. Did I ask you to subscribe? Subscribe, like the video if you enjoy these kinds of videos. Let's see if silver is going to bounce back to around this area and we go down, or what's going to happen. What has got silver got in play for us? The purpose of this strategy is not to try and predict the markets. Is around about reacting to whatever the market gives us. That's all that I have for you today, guys. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.